Welcome to my channel, The Vent Craft. This channel is dedicated to showing you designs as well as tips, tricks, and how to make various crafts ranging from hearts, fascinators, hand fan, bouquet, and much more. Today, I would show you how I made this fascinator. There's a little story behind it. It was this Saturday. I had just brought out my cloth for church on Sunday, a black and white dress, and I thought, let me grace it with a cute fascinator. And so I entered my store and began work. Come join me. I found the cinnamon mold I had molded previously and got Petercham ribbon, then feathers, then bias. That's the black bias there. Yes, then I cut out a brooch from one of my old jewelries, and that's my electric glue gun there and needle and thread to match. Oh yes, if you can check up my video to know how to mold with cinnamon. There's a slight difference though with the mold I used, so if you need a DIY on the difference, do let me know in the comment section below. Back to our video on how to make this. So that's the elastic band that would attach to your head. So what I did was to take the black Petercham and I'm going to attach it to the rim of the fascinator. Now, the reason why I use Petercham here and not bias is because bias won't cover up that part well, because wire is sewn to the edge. If you look closely, you can see the wire is sewn there. So the best to use is Petercham. So I'm going to be using my hot glue here to attach this Petercham. Yes, I believe I would be dropping in the description how to purchase this hot glue gun if you need one. So let's watch. See how I attach it. I would like to thank you all once more for subscribing to my channel and letting me know in the comment section that you're enjoying my videos. I hope this one would also be one of the videos you enjoy and are able to make. I really look forward to seeing your pictures on the Facebook group community that I created, so that I would know that really what I'm doing is impacting you and you are learning. Thank you. Oh yes, for those just joining me for the first time, please do subscribe to my channel, that you would see many lovely things you would love to make and how to make them. And also click the bell button so you don't miss any video at all. Alright, I hope to see you clicking that button. Please don't forget to check the in the description the Facebook community that I created, so you could go there and in the appropriate video comment section you put up what you have made for that particular video. I'm really anticipating and so anxious to see what my videos have been able to produce in your lives. Did you notice the way I started putting the glue gun no longer completely on the full Petercham woody ribbon? What I did was to put on one side first, just the top, then later on I would do the underneath. Okay, keep watching. Feel free to drop any question you would like to ask me concerning this DIY in the comment section below, and I would respond as soon as possible. It's time now for the bias. Now the bias is used because it is thinner than the Petercham. I didn't want a bigger one. You could use the Petercham, I guess, if you want a different look, but I decided to use the bias. So that's the way you put the glue gun on the bias, completely, fully. And if you notice, I don't put the glue gun on the gum all over the bias first, or even the Petercham and put. That's because this gum dries very fast. So you just need to put little part, then attach, then like that. You keep going on. All right. Yeah, perfect. Now I want to attach my feather, and I'm going to use cream thread for now because I don't want it so visible underneath. So I'm attaching the tip of the feathers. I'm sewing it firmly to the fascinator, and that's the way I did it. You should do it quite a number of times so you know it's secured and no child can pull it out. Okay, need to get a black thread for the next phase. Yes. Now you would have to also sew the middle part so that the feathers is not jumping up. So I'm using black thread so that it doesn't show through. You won't see where it's sewn. You will think it's glued. Remember, I told you I always love to sew. If there's an opportunity to sew, I sew because it makes it firmly secured. Gum after some years would get weak and it could fall out, but with thread it ain't getting no weak. It's secured. And also for kids, they love to pull out things. They can't try it with this. Next is to cover that part of the feathers, and remember I told you I cut this out of an old necklace. So you can be creative. Anything you have, just look at it and be creative. What can I use this to do? So that's what I did. I'm not using the necklace anymore. So I put my hot glue on it, and then I cover that part. Next, I thought and I decided, yeah, let's get half pearls and touch up the heart a bit. So that's what I did with half pearls, black pearls. So I'm using B6000, oh sorry, B7000. This is B7000, not B6000. Couldn't find B6000 in the market. So there, that's how I did it to give it a pattern. And I use B7000, not Uhu, because the tip where the glue comes out is thin. or would I say small or tiny in B7000, so it won't spill off. If you use Uhu, it will spill off and stain the heart. So after a while, you press it like this as I'm doing, and that ensures it doesn't pop out or come out easily. That's our heart, Fascinator heart, however you put it, and that's me on Sunday. Yeah, what do you think about it? Let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.